Jai Hind teachers, here I am to share another presentation on the app called Flipgrid. Now, what is Flipgrid? Flipgrid is a video discussion platform that helps teachers see and hear from every student in class and encourage fun and supportive social learning environment. Let's see how to create your Flipgrid account and your first grade. Okay, we'll start with Google Chrome and we'll write www.flipgrid.com in the address bar. This will direct us to this page. Click on the right side, educator sign up. Yes. Now, okay, we have two options, sign up with Google and sign up with Microsoft. We will click on sign up with Microsoft because we want to integrate Flipgrid with Microsoft Team. Fine, so we have clicked it. Okay, we need to pick an account. So it is already showing my Microsoft account. I will click on it. Yes. Okay, it is taking me to Flipgrid application. Let's see. Yes, it is done. So can you see? I have created my account on Flipgrid and on the right side it is displaying my name. Yes. Now we need to create grid in my Flipgrid account. Okay. Okay teachers, now we'll see how to add new grade. We'll click on this red button, add new grade, click here. Yes. Now we need to give name to the grade. This is basically the class. So I am writing English 10A. Okay, now there are three types of grade: school email, school ID, and educator learning community. We will be selecting school email. Okay, then we need to give flip code, which is actually automatically generated by but I want to change it. Okay, I am taking it as English. Yes, this code is not available. Okay, I change it. English 10A, it's not there. Okay, I added 2020, it is available. Click on next. Yes, it is showing us the school email. It is APS Dholakua. Click on the next button. Yes, the grid is ready. Can you see there is a URL on the screen? Yes, we will be using it when we will move to Microsoft Team. So we will copy it and paste it there when required. Yes. Let's see how to create a topic. Yes, now we need to create a topic. Grid is already there. We have selected it. Okay, English 10A is the name of the grid. Click here, add new topic. Okay, give the name for the topic. Here I am taking it as girl power. Then here in the space we need to write something related to the topic. Fine. After that is recording time. We can always select. It can be from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. I have taken it as 2 minutes. Okay, video moderation is like the video will be hidden from students until we activate it. Fine. So I have clicked it. Now we can record a video for this topic, or we can put image. I am simply taking emoji for this. Fine. So I have taken an emoji. Click on create topic. Yes, a title of the topic is given and then we have decided about the time and we are clicking on create topic and we are done. The topic is created and name of the topic is girl power and it is a part of which grade? English 10. Now teachers will see how to share or integrate this grid with the Microsoft Team. For that, we will start Microsoft Teams software. Okay, in team, we can see different tabs on the left side, activity, chat, teams, and there are three dots at the bottom. We'll click on three dots. These are basically to add more apps. We'll click on it and then we will find Flipgrid using this search dialog box. I am writing Flipgrid here. Okay, yes, it is starting. Now it is asking with which team you want to integrate this Flipgrid. So I am selecting a team. Click here and select the team. I am selecting computer stars and click on setup. Yes. So now here it is asking for a URL which we copied from that place, Flipgrid. So we will paste that link here. Yes, paste it. Okay. Yes, the link is pasted. Fine. And what is the message? We found it. Yes, save it. Okay, so that particular grid is here in my Microsoft team. Click here, choose the account again. So we are logging in. Yes, finally it is here in the team. Yes, and there is a plus sign on the green circle. If we click on this, we can record our videos. Even students, when will click here, will be able to record their videos. Okay, let's see how students will access it. When they will open their channel, on the top, they will find some extra tabs which are there for the grids teacher have created for them. Yes, if they click on that tab, they will be directed to the Flipgrid. Yes, this is the grid English 10A and the topic it displaying is Corona. Yes, there is one green circle on which one plus sign is there. This is basically to record response. So if students will click on this button, they can record their response and that can be pasted in the grid. Fine. Let's check the responses. I created a grid for my colleagues. I'm clicking on that. Okay, let's see the responses. Oh, there are two responses from my friends. Same way, you can create grid for your students and they can send video responses and the responses are arranged nicely in a grid. Hope I have explained the topic clearly and you will be benefited using the app. Thank you.